Today's guide is a Microsoft Designer tutorial. This program was first released some months ago. Okay, and from that time till now, there have been some changes, some new features added to it. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to make good use of Microsoft Designer. All right, in case you don't know, this is an AI program which you can use to generate images developed and managed by Microsoft. Without taking much time, let's get into it. To use this application, we need to first access it through the web, and you do that using a web browser. Okay, here I'm going to use Microsoft Edge, so I'll click on it for it to open. Then visit designer.microsoft.com. That's the web link to access this. Okay, look at it here, designer.microsoft.com. I still have the link in the description so you can check it out. Okay, you can see the logo. Once the web link opens, you will be landed on a page that looks like this. This is a very intelligent program. You can see they are giving us example of what this can do for you. This is a good design. Likewise, this. All right. Then here it wants you to search for any type of design you want to create. You can see what it says. It says, what do you want to design? Okay, if for example I want to design poster, I will click here and then type poster. All right, so once you type what you want to search, you will see it shows up here. You can select it. So this opens a new tab, all right, in your browser to display some posters for you. As the new tab opens with poster in mind, you can see some poster templates you can click on and then make some changes in it. Are you getting that? But we are not going to dive into this now. So let's get back to the main page and see some other things we can do from there. Okay, so I'll close this. All right, so here we are back to the main page. So here, the first tab selected here is known as Create with AI, all right, which allows you to create some images with the AI, all right, Designer AI. Okay, so here you can see some categories. If you want to generate images, you go with images. This is greeting cards, which is icon. This is social post and so many others. Okay, so here is another category which is under the heading create custom images for any project. All right, so this section allows you to create specific custom images. You can see this one, you can see this one, you can see this one. All right, so you can, when you take your cursor here to on any of them, when you hover your cursor on any of them, you will see the text that generated the design. All right, and these tests are what we call prompts. All right, prompt is just like questions or description of what you want to create. That is what prompts are. All right, so they are commands given to the program for it to achieve a specific task. All right, and you can see this one, an origami grill with sizzling sticks. Okay, so a lot of text there. So when you click on this, it will open on a new page, and you may decide to make some changes in respect to this and ask the AI to generate an image for you. We are going to come to that. Okay, then we have here design personalized avatar. Maybe you want a personalized avatar of something, of baby, or any image at all, anything at all. You can click on any of these prompts and make changes to it and then create your own avatar. All right, so here you can see this section. It says make someone's day with a unique card. Okay, so this is the card category. You can click on any and then generate your own image. Then here it says create seasonal wallpaper and backgrounds. These are the new features that are added to the program, which were not there before. So from here, you can create any wallpaper of your choice. This one is make one of a kind coloring pages. This applies to self-publishers. All right, they make use of this very well. Maybe you're a self-publisher on Amazon KDP and you want to create coloring books. All right, this can help you. Click on any of them and then add your own text for it to generate the image you want to create. Maybe you want to create the image of an animal or an image of a horse or anything that you want to use to create a coloring book. I'm going to visit this in detail later. Let's talk about these major tabs here. by default, this create with AI is selected. Then this one is edit with AI. Maybe you want to edit something with AI. You click on this and then you see some images you can select and then you start editing with this AI tool. Okay, you can upload your own image and then ask this AI to edit it or use the AI tool to edit it. All right. So that's what this one is all about. Then this tab is designed from scratch. Maybe you want to create something from scratch. You go with this design from scratch. But let's get back to create with AI. So we are back to the create with AI section. So we want to generate images. So we click on images. Okay, here we are. It's asking us to describe the image we want to create. Okay, so under here you can see some examples that we have created. So when you take your cursor here, you see the description. But let's create our own fresh image. Okay, and here you can select any size of your choice. Here you can see 1024 by 1024 pixel is selected. So if you want a different size, please select from here. Okay, so let's describe what we want to create. So I'll click here and then click here and then give the prompts. So let me now ask this program to create something for me. So look at what I want this program to create. I say a small and adorable pendulum, all right? Black and white in white fresh water. So once you're done typing in your prompt, click on generate. Okay, so here we are. It has generated the creature we want, and they look so beautiful. Are you getting that? So I can click on any and make further changes and then download into my computer. Or if I'm not satisfied with what I have here, I can still click on generate for new samples to be generated for me. All right. Okay, so another group of the same creature has been generated again. So I can click on this and then it shows up in a bigger way. So for you to make sure that you like what you have here, all right, you can go ahead and click on download, all right, for it to be downloaded. Or if you want to edit it further, click on edit and some editing tools will be shown to you that you can use to edit this image further. But here, I don't want to edit anything further. So let me click on download. And here, I'll click on download again. And you can see it has been downloaded into my PC. All right, so that's how it is. So let me close this. Okay, so I'm back to the main homepage of the designer, Microsoft Designer. So I want to generate something and I want to use this bar, all right, search bar. So I'll click here and then what I want to generate is Instagram poster. Okay, Instagram post. You can see Instagram square post. So I'll click on that. So this is going to open on a new tab, just as you can see right now. Okay, so here is what we have here. We have an empty space to create what we want to create from scratch. And here we have some templates we can choose from. Okay, so when you scroll down, you see more of these templates based on what you want to create. So this is structured based on what we chose. All right. We need Instagram post, and this is the dimension of Instagram post. So by here you can see search templates. Okay. So what I want to create is based on technology. So I can type technology for it to bring some technology templates for me. Enter key. All right. All right. It has returned this. So I will click on this. So this places this kind of technology design here, but I need something different. So on by this side, you can see new ideas, but I want to generate something different and unique. So I'll click on new design. So here it opens a new page, still based on the Instagram posts. You get that? So I will click here and then type what I want to create. Okay, then I'll click on generate. So hold on for it to generate some images based on what you want to create. And look at what I have here. Say Instagram post banner for Godwin Tech YouTube channel. Background color of blue. Use pictures of laptop and phone to explain what the channel teaches. Okay, so it's going to generate this for me in a few seconds. So here we are. It has returned some designs for me based on the question I asked. Okay. So I will click on this. I like this one and I will edit it further. So click on any one you want to work with and then select the option customize design. Sometimes if you download directly, it may not give you what you want. So I want to design further based on this. So this returns this, and here it has learn tech with Godwin. Okay, and I can say learn with Godwin tech. So I will double click on this and then delete what is here. Okay, so I have learn with Godwin tech here, and here the size due to the default font size, it has moved this text down. So I will reduce it. So here I want to work on this. So if you want to work on the text box, you may need to click out and click on the text box. Okay, then click here and then reduce the size. Okay, so you may need to try it many times until you get what you want. Then this is bold. I can make it bold. All right. Learn with Godwin Tech. It's cool. Then here it says join us on YouTube. So I want to reduce this and then add my YouTube link. All right. The first step is to click on that, the text brush, and then select the size you want. Okay, this is the lowest size. Okay, okay. I think it made a little change. Okay, good. I'll click out and then I'll click on this and drag it up. For you to drag it up, just click on it, the text box first, for the text box to be selected. Then you have these two headed arrows crossing each other, all right? Then you press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag up. Okay, so I want to add my link, I mean my YouTube link. So what I need to do is to click on text. Then select whether you want to add subheading or you want to add heading or body text. I think I'll go with subheading. So click on it. So once you click on it, it will be added here. Then you drag it and drop to where you want to have it. So let me go and copy the link and paste it here. Okay, so I have copied the link, and for me to add it here, I will double click on the text box. Okay, then Control V. All right, so I can delete this. Okay, so because this is too big, I will click out and then click on the text box and then click on size and reduce it. So I can click on it and drag it to this side. So because of time, let's have this way. But if I have time for myself, I will then do a later design here. But no problem, let's go with this because I don't want to take much of your time. So let's assume I'm done with this creation. The next step is to download this. So I'll click on download and it gives us this option. PNG is selected by default. Okay, so if you click here, you can see some other formats you can download in. You can download in JPEG or PDF. All right, so but before we download, there's something I want us to do. So I need us to add this name. Okay, I need us to have a unique name for this. So I'll click here and then select rename. Okay, then let me call it Instagram post or INS post. All right, so I'll click out, then I'll click on download. Then PNG, I'm okay with that. So I'll click on download button. Okay, so this will be downloaded into your PC and you can access it from there. So I'll close this. So let's get to PC, our download section, and see how this looks. Then I'll click on download. So I'll double click on this. I will expand this. Good. You can see it's a very great design. Join us on YouTube. Okay, learn with Godwin Tech. Okay, I'm back to the home page. And the last type of project I would like us to create is coloring book. All right, images we can use in coloring book. So I will scroll down to the last part of this page. You can see this creature. You can see this creature is all about animal. You can see this is human. You can see this is flower. All right. So depending on what type of coloring book you want to create, all right, one of these may serve as template to you. Okay, so here let's assume I want to create animal related coloring book. I'll click on this. Why I'm clicking on that is for that prompt to serve as templates to me, because on my own I may not be able to create great prompts. So I'll click on edit entire prompts. Okay, we are returned to this section, and this one reads a full background image from an empty coloring book showing a portrait of a minimal decorative giraffe's head. So here I don't want to create giraffe's head. I want to create tiger, or lion. So let's call it lion's head. Okay. So depending, you need to change the text to suit into what you want to create at a point in time. I say superimposed over a background of coloring book leaves, okay, fence and forest plants. There should be open space between the lines, leaving room for hand coloring, color book style. All right, so this is cool because I have now changed the giraffe to lion. Okay, so depending on the image you want to create, change the text and then choose a size for yourself if the default size is not okay by you, and then click on generate. And here we are. This has returned great design. All right, based on the prompt we gave. You can see this is lion head, this is lion head. So, and it's suitable to create animal book. Okay, so click on any of them you want to use for you to be taken to this new page. You can click on edit to edit further, but there is no need for that. To me, this is cool. All right, so I can click on download and then select download option again. And this has downloaded into my computer. So let's go and take a look on how it looks. Okay, so I'll click on File Explorer, then click on Downloads. So I will double click on it. I will maximize. So this is so beautiful. So if you do coloring book, low content books on Amazon, Amazon KDP, or any other platform, this tool can help you generate some realistic images you need for such projects. And it's cool. So that's all we are going to do for today on how to use Microsoft Designer AI tool. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach technology, okay, which cuts across so many areas. How to use iPhone, Android, YouTube education, self-publishing, and how to use different types of computers. So if you're interested in any of these contents, please do subscribe, okay? Because you will learn more and improve your productivity. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this guide is helpful and recommend it to more people. All right? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something extra? Let me hear your say in the comment section. To watch more on how to complete some other task using AI program, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.